another video. I am Tabitha and I was born to DIY. Okay? If you're new here, let me say welcome. I am so delighted to have you. And if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. Trust me, I truly appreciate each and every last one of you. Okay? In today's video, I am just doing a quick tablescape, okay? I have been showing a little things that I had got from here and there. A couple of things I had already had because I used to do tablescapes, okay? So let's dive on into this tablescape and I will talk to you and share things that I got and where I got them from as we go on into it, okay? I'm gonna start by putting down this white runner, which this runner is from the Dollar Tree. Had it for years, okay? Placemats. I actually purchased these from, no, they was free, from Temu. And I showed these in a shopping haul. It would have been last year, not this year. Clear gold trim charger plates. I actually purchased these from the Dollar Tree last summer. These are actually just regular white plates. I think these came from Walmart, but I have had these for a couple of years. Yes, Walmart. These plates actually came from the Dollar Tree, the little saucers. These old napkin rings, I actually had these for years. It came with a whole tablecloth and all that for a long rectangle table. And this little napkin ring holder is actually a DIY. I was thinking about using these, but I actually didn't have time to go out and spray paint these black because I have like 3 sets of these. So I'm just gonna leave that on there and let it stay. bring you closer. That's better. This is my ginger jar that I got from I think Burlington. Yeah. This was actually from Glam. What I am going to add to the space now is these 3-piece gold rim candlestick sets. This was in my last Easter shopping haul as well, and I have 2 sets of these so that way I can have a total of 6 on the table. These wine flutes, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say that I had purchased these either from Walmart, or if it wasn't Walmart, could have been Events and More. However, I had these for a couple of years now. So I'm just adding those to the space as well. I'm trying to make sure they're not too close and clashing with the 3 gold candlesticks. Now I am bringing in the little lavender bunnies that I had actually purchased from Aldi's. Those was also in my last, well, I didn't do a shopping haul with those, but I showed those in my Monday video that was just posted. If you did not see that video on Monday, I will leave that video in the iCards. Now, I am showing you these beautiful purple flowers that I had got from Events and More. And I picked those up last week. Actually, it was that Saturday. I was talking about that in my last Friday video. But yes, I picked those up from Events and More. And this little bundle was only, if it was not $5.95, it was $7.95. But I just had to have those. Now, these was $1. I found those in my stash, and I know for certain I have had these yellow florals from 2 summers ago, and those was from General Dollar. Don't worry, I know you see me just knocked over that flute. However, that is why I make sure those were plastic, okay? Because they're only for me to use when I'm actually just doing my decorating versus the real flutes and wine glasses that we actually use. Of course, now you see I am bringing these into place, and I actually showed these. I had a set of the white and I think these yellow green ones. I showed this in my Monday video, and I am incorporating that also into this floral arrangement. Friends, I hope that you have really enjoyed this little small tablescape that I did. I thank you for stopping by today's video and spending a little time with little old me. Now friends, if you didn't give me a thumbs up as you came into the video, you can do so now, okay? What are some ways that you can support your favorite content creators? You can simply by supporting all of us by subscribing to our channels, but you can also thumbs up our video and you can share our video. Sharing, just clickly share and create a post, posting it to your community page so that others can see our video. But also, you can hype the video. Now friends, you're not able to hype my video just yet because in order to hype my video, I must first reach 500 subscribers. And I am thriving my way to get there. I do believe I will get there without a shadow of a doubt, okay? But for the ones that you can, make sure you hype their videos. You're only allowed to hype 3 videos within 1 week, okay? Now friends, leave me a comment down in the section for today. And if you do not want to leave a comment, you can just simply leave me purple and yellow hearts, okay? I appreciate those as well. Now remember to always be bold, be creative, but most importantly, be you. Stay true to yourself. Until next time, friends. Bye.